Morning children, you know that I am your social teacher. Already in previous we learned this chapter South India, Shatavahanas we came to know. Now today we are going to discuss about the Kadambas. Kadambas. So first one is Shatavahanas, second one is Kadambas. There is the first dynasty established in Karnataka. Which is the first dynasty established in Karnataka? If you ask me, you say that Kadambas is the first dynasty in Karnataka. Then, which was his capital city? Kadambas capital city is Banavasi. At present, where is there? North Kannada district we can call. Mayura Sharma was the founder. Who is the founder of this Kadamba dynasty? Means Mayura Sharma. Next. First dynasty. When Mayura Sharma was insulted by Pallava king Shivaskanda Varma, he adopted Kshatriya way of life and became a Mayurava. Actually, he is a Brahmin. Once what happened means, Shivaskanda Varma is a Pallava king. He is insulted for that Mayura Sharma. Then he left that Brahmanism, so means Brahmana, he converted into Kshatriya. Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, 4 tribes are there. 4 groups of Varnas are there. So he left the Brahmana, then he became into Kshatriya. So he practiced a war and defeated the king. Who is that king? Shivaskanda Varma. Then he established vast empire. Which is the empire? Kadambas empire. This is the behind of all who had to pride that we belong to Kannadigas. Thus, Kadamba was a special contribution in Karnataka. Therefore, unity for Kadambas rose. Who are there in that kingdom means? Priests are there. Priest means you know that Pujari will say is there. Then royal priests are there, ministers. Then military generals like Senadipati will say no. There always a very important role. Provincial officers also is there, means district officer. They are divided the places into one place. One will be head. Look after by one place. One will be head. We can call as a provincial officers. Land revenue was main kingdom. This one occupation. So what are the things they are? Who are the persons are? What are their occupations? If I say means. First, they are carpentry. Carpentry means woodwork. Those who are making, for them we can call as a carpentry. Goldsmith, gold works who are doing, for them we can call as a goldsmith. Next, blacksmithy means one who forges their fire to their work, for that person we can call as a iron, who forges from iron what they are doing, they are a blacksmith. Weaving means cloths will be. Oil extractions means fire oil we can call. Next, potteries are there. Pot will prepare now. Matu further also is there. Different types of occupation people are staying there one. Though they are the followers of Vedic religion, but they encouraged Jainism, Buddhism also encouraged. Important places of the scholars are the Jain temples of scholars are Hangel, Puliger and other places promoted Jain cultures. These 2 places they started to spread their cultures. Buddhism was flourishing in Kadambas kingdom, included Ajanta and Banavasa of the 2 important centers of Buddhism. So even they increased Buddhism. So which are the 2 places? That one Ajanta and Banavasa. If you go means there Jainism we can be more. Buddhism is there. They are given more importance. Next, they received Sanskrit and both Prakrit languages in education. Sanskrit became a court language. Kannada was the language of the people. So Sanskrit also court language, but Kannada was the language of the people. People are talking in common language, Kannada itself. The main ancient Halmidi inscription, how we came to know means by saying one of the inscription. What is the name of the inscription means? Halmidi inscription. Available. This is the first inscription Karnataka available in Karnataka. The Kadambas laid the foundation of architecture in Karnataka. They built many temples and a mosque and then Banavasi, near Banavasi. These temples, during this time they even constructed Agraharas, Brahmapuris, Gatikas. These are the higher education they are providing for them. They constructed time to time. Again they have been changes Agrahara time to time. The places where they went with Talagundi and Balagavi. Next, Agraharas are like residential schools. What are the Agraharas means? Agraharas means residential schools will be. Till here we came to know about Kadambas. Next we'll see about the Gangas. Next we'll see Gangas. They are given only short and sweet for us here also. The rise and fall of the Ganga's ruling constitution chapters in Kannada. The founder of Ganga descent of Ishwaka dynasty from Kuluvala, Talakadu, Manyapura, Bagalkote. Today is Manmar, Nelamangala. There they started Ganga dynasty. Gangawadi kingdom began in rule of by Dadiga. Who is the founder of Ganga dynasty? Dadiga. Afterwards, he was ruled by, afterwards known as, after 27 kings, one more king has Durvinita. He was a famous king in this king. 27th king afterwards, 28th king Durvinita. So after his Nalala copper inscription. So which inscription to came over Durvinita means Nalala copper inscription. Then they have written even changes some of the books. Prakriti language, Vaddakate of Gunadhya, one of the famous poet, Gunadhya written Vaddakate, one of the Sanskrit book. Then contribution of Gangas, if you take means village communities today we are looking that one started by Gangas only. Next, there were other occupations. Weavers are there, blacksmiths are there. They even trade with other countries also possible is there. Then Chaityalayas means the temples which built by for Buddhist people they are constructed. Temples, matas, agraharas. Everything has constructed and given for the people. Next we'll see stint remember means Gomateshwara. You know that Gomateshwara's main thing is Gomateshwara statue. How they came is behind the story. Gomateshwara means another name is Bahubali. Bahubali, not our cinema movie Bahubali. The real name is Bahubali. Then Gomateshwara name has been changed. Gomateshwara is Bahubali is belong to Shravana Belagola, symbol of renunciation. So it was installed by minister, Chaundray's minister, Ratchamalla IV. So among these 100 brothers, among 100 members, total how many members are there? 100 members. Among that, first one name is Bharata, last one is 100th one, his brother name is Bahubali. They all fighted with. So Bharata has fighted with everyone and he has made defeated all. But in the turn has came to Bahubali, what happened means, Bahubali is lifted Bharata and spinning the wheel, like a wheel, how will spin now? Like that wheel, and he want to throw for him and kill. But he never killed for his brother. Bahubali told only one thing, I don't want this attainment, you only take brother, I don't want anything. So he left everything and went away. But even though Bharata has came and told, no, you are the winner, you should become the king. No, I don't want any kingdom. You only take, and said and went. Then he became Nirvana. He want to attain salvation. Moksha will say no. He want to attain the moksha, salvation. So he left everything and came and became a statue. So Jainas, so 58 feet. What is the total feet? How much feet will be? 28 feet. So Gomateshwara feet is idol of Gomateshwara in Shravana Belagola will find. So every 12 years they will make one celebration. What is one celebration we can call 12 years? Mahamastabhisheka. Then Ganga spirits has been Gomateshwara, Shravana Belagola, example of their architecture. Nagareshwara temple at Bigar. Next in still Pataleshwara temple in Talakadu. These are the contributions of Gangas. Even Ganga kings were the lover of literature and due to their encourage Sanskrit, even they are expert in writing. So they encourage for the poets to write some work and they have given work. They encourage for the poets to complete some works. For example, Durvinita, poets, king which have written, what is one? Shabdavatara, translated in Gunadhyas, Vaddakate. Next, Hemasena wrote Raghava Pandya. Next, Chaundaraya. He himself has written Chaundaraya Purana. These are the books has been encouraged. Literature we can call has been encouraged by Ganga people. See how nicely they have been encouraged. Gomateshwara fort we are seen in the statue. That's all. We don't know real story. Behind this one, 100 member brother systems. Bharata, even though he is defeated, he told you only become the king. But our Gomateshwara told, no, I don't want anything, because he understood that what is the reality in the world, in the society. So he became Nirvana. It means he want to become to get the salvation like this. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please contact me. Thank you.